Alright, so Constituent Assembly, its functions and related MCQs वगैरह देख रहे हैं Constituent Assembly पे. तो Constituent Assembly of India was set up under the recommendations of the Cabinet Mission, and the members of the Constituent Assembly which drafted the Constitution of India, they were elected by the legislative assemblies of the various provinces. Members were elected from the legislative assemblies of provinces, and the date of the last meeting of the Constituent Assembly, that was 24th of January 1950. 24th of January 1950 आखिरी मुलाकात थी Constituent Assembly की. Indian Constitution was adopted on 26th November 1949. The Constitution of India was enacted on 26th adopted की अलग डेट है, that is I think 26th of January 1950 है, जबकि enactment का है 26th November 1949. Now who presided over the first meeting of the Indian Constituent Assembly? जो फर्स्ट इंटरिम प्रिसाइड किए थे तो सच्चिदानंद सिन्हा ने किया था, जो कि 9th of December 1946 को हुआ था. फिर बाद में जाके परमानेंट चेयरमैन ऑफ द Constituent Assembly बन गए थे डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. The inaugural session, however, of the Constituent Assembly was presided by Sachidanand Sinha. Now, Indian national flag was adopted on 22nd of July 1947, and the chairman of the Provincial Constitution Committee, तो ये पटेल थे, and chairman of Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights, ये भी पटेल थे, chairman of Ad hoc Committee on National Flag, या simply Flag Committee भी बोलते हैं short में, तो that was Rajendra Prasad, and Constitutional Advisor तो ये B.N. Rao थे. The constitutional advisor during the drafting of Indian Constitution was B.N. Rao, and first draft was also prepared by B.N. Rao. And the drafting committee had total 7 members. You have to know the names of them. Please Google them separately. Then the following was not a member of the drafting committee. Jawaharlal Nehru was not a member of drafting committee. The Constituent Assembly set up a drafting committee under the chairmanship of Ambedkar on 29th of August 1947. So, mind you, the drafting committee was set up after India got independence, that is 14 days after 15th August, that is 29th of August 1947 को हमारा drafting committee बनाया गया था. How much time the Constituent Assembly took to frame the Constitution of India? 2 years, 11 months, 18 days, and in a total of 11 sessions they met. And एक critique थे British Granville Austin, जिन्होंने कहा था कि the assembly was the Congress and the Congress was India, while he was referring to the Constituent Assembly of India. The first Law Minister of India, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The concept of concurrent list has been taken from Australia, and the concept of fundamental rights, that has been taken from USA. The concept of DPSP, that has been taken from Ireland, and also from Ireland the concept of in the Rajya Sabha we shall have certain members on the basis of their talent, experience and service. So that concept has also been taken from Irish Republic, and DPSP बता ही चुके हैं कि Ireland से लिया गया है. Then we have concept of federation in India, that has been taken from Canada, and a union of states, that has been taken from British Parliament. ठीक है. And the system of judicial review is similar to that of the US American judiciary, and the concept of fundamental duties has been taken from Russian Constitution. And who said that I have not to beg pardon in connection with the allegation that in the draft of the Constitution a major part of the Government of India Act 1935 has been reproduced. This statement was said by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.